How to create Remitly account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to create a Remitly account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application over here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Well, first of all, just make sure to choose a language for your Remitly application. And after you do that, on the next page it will ask you to basically give two options: to create a new profile, or if you already have a profile. Now if you already have an account, then you can just tap on I already have an account option. But if you don't, which I'm assuming and we're going to learn over here, is to create a new profile. Now all we have to do is simply select the country to which we want to send the money to. We will just confirm this. We'll tap on next, and all we have to do is simply make sure to enter our email address and our password that we want to use for Remitly. And then when we tap on join Remitly, our Remitly account will get successfully created. This way you can go ahead and basically create Remitly account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.